So when could Shiba Inu delete another zero? Right now we're at 4 zeros, 1 and change. So what we're talking about is deleting one of those zeros and going to obviously 3 zeros and change. That's the key. I'm going to tell you up front, AI is predicted this. This is an AI prediction. And I don't agree. You're going to not agree either. I do not agree with this. When I read this, I'm like, it raised my eyebrows from the standpoint of like, no, I absolutely do not agree with this prediction, the Shiba Inu price prediction. So what we're going to do now is we're going to jump into this. So let me set the stage here for you. So Shiba Inu AI predicts when SHIB could delete its next zero, right? And so if you look at where we're at right now for Shiba Inu, it is at, as I said, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, and then 1, 1, 3, 1 and change. And so what we're talking about here is when we basically move over to that, we move over to that zero, right? So we'd have 3 zeros and then that. I'm going to remind you that our all-time high was 4 zeros and then an 8 in that position. That was our all-time high set back in October of 2021. I should remember because I was there every day. That was a crazy, crazy month. It was awesome. Okay. So with that said, here comes the prediction. Like, I don't agree with this. All right. So here we go. Let me show you this. So the AI engine is predicting now. Oh, before I want to show you this, the last time that SHIB deleted a zero was back in October of 2021. Okay. We know this. Okay. It moved up there. Okay. Here it is. I'm gonna not make you wait for it. It's right here in purple. SHIB could delete its next zero in June of 2028. Just pausing for dramatic effect now. 5 years from now. I do not agree with this. It's not because I don't like what the prediction is saying. If I felt like that was true, I would say no. But I think that's absolutely not the right time frame, and by the way, they're saying it'll reach that's when it'll reach 3 zeros, 1 4. Okay. And so finally, if Shibarium burns trillions of tokens after release, SHIB could delete its next zero faster than expected. So here's the thing. Here's what I don't believe that the AI is taking into consideration. Number one, burns. They are going to happen, and they're going to happen within the next couple of years. They will start. They will start to ramp up very quickly, and those burns are going to come with Shibarium. We've talked about all that. That's going to happen. That's going to absolutely accelerate the time frame. But we're talking about 1 0 here. We're not talking about getting to a penny. Getting to a penny, I think, is 4 or 5 years down the road. I think that. The other thing that has to happen, that's a big, huge question, is the entire crypto market has to move up massively, has to go up dramatically. And I'm talking, for those of you guys who follow me, you know what I'm talking about. It's not just about Shiba Inu in this capacity. So now put the Shiba Inu thing aside for a minute. Now we're talking about the entire crypto market. Okay. So the entire crypto market has to move up to 5 trillion, 7 trillion, which again is going to happen. That is coming. It is something that is absolutely going to be reality. It is absolutely going to happen. Okay. Because we got regulation coming, we've got institutional money coming, we got Main Street USA, Main Street, wherever you live in the world, adoption. All of that is coming, and that's going to, all that money is going to flow somewhere. It's going to flow into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, and a lot of that money is going to flow into Dogecoin. It's going to flow into Shiba Inu. So the market cap of SHIB will move up dramatically over time. And right now it's at 6,667,000,000. Okay. So those are the things that I don't think that the AI is taking into consideration, is that you've got massive burns coming. It's going to reduce the supply. It's going to make the existing supply much more valuable, i.e. the price goes up. You've got mass adoption of crypto that is going to happen in one way, the other, shape, form, or fashion over a period of time. That's not being taken into consideration. There are other factors too, right? I mean, there's continued, just global adoption of crypto in general. I've already said that, but more, adoption of currency and all those kind of scenarios. It's just so much that I disagree with. So I disagree with 5 years for this. So what do you think? Drop in the comments below. I disagree. All right, I'll see you. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you for your support.